Welcome to EIP Editing Office Hour Meeting 30. This is issue number 301 on Eat Cat Herders EIP GitHub repository. We have a bunch of open PRs to review and to make status changes. Sam, yeah, if you could please screen share. Thank you. So the first PR we would like to review is 187 on ERC GitHub repository. We are joined by author Steven to discuss this PR.
Hi there.
Hey, how's it going?
Good.
Good. Did you have any specific questions? You just wanted somebody to look at it?
No, I think it's all ready. Just of course I want you to take a look at it, and you always find good suggestions and merge it as draft.
All right. 20 tokens. Okay, so I'm assuming you've seen the deterministic wallet owned by an NFT proposal.
6551.
I'm not sure. 6551. Yeah, that's the one. So you have seen it. All right.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, this is much simpler. This is meant to be as an extension, so you actually need to include it from start, which is a disadvantage, but it's way simpler, which is the reason we are proposing it.
Okay, makes sense.
And this is just focused on ERC20s, since they don't have a callback to notify the receiver contract. So this is, we find this necessary.
Okay, yeah. Okay. The ever evolving landscape collector 721 teams. Okay. Extension, composite transactions. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, I think I had a connection issue, so I'm not sure if you asked.
Oh, no.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll switch the issue 20 to transfer directly to the NFT conference. Okay, good. And then can you relicense the code as CC0 or?
No, this is just what we use on our repo, and I forgot to replace it.
Okay.
But I will change it. Thanks.
Yeah, same for all of them, obviously. Um, yeah, got some tests. Cool. Yeah, so just fix those and yeah, should be good to merge the draft.
Nice. I don't know if you. Okay, I'll check and maybe ask more questions.
Sure.
Thank you.
Very well. The next one is a PR number 163, and we are joined by Conrad.
And that is on ERC.
That's right.
Did you guys have any specific questions for me, or just have somebody look at it?
Yeah, no specific questions either, just like a general look.
All right. Okay, so first off, it's getting a descriptive title and description is really hard. So um, um, go to discussions two, Mars, okay. This proposal on submitted required interfaces and behavior for modular smart accounts and modules to ensure, okay. So okay. Contract accounts are getting adoption of funding accounts being built using modular architecture. These modular contract accounts, after smart accounts, move functionality into external contracts modules in order to increase the speed and potential. Okay. That's different ways. Creating module fragmentation and vendor lock-in. To solve these problems, we need to standardize the core interfaces for smart accounts and modules. Okay. The goal is to define the smart account and module interfaces and behavior that is as minimal as possible. Okay. Good. So a module validator entry point. Okay. So the standard does not dictate how a validator selection is implemented. However, the 4337 user operation fields. Okay. Smart contract. Okay. And account configurations. List of force authorization control and relevant install. And storing nothing. So, okay. Looks good. Optional. Okay. 1271 forwarding. And 1271 is, of course, in your requires. Perfect. Fallback in, but okay, that looks good. Sucks. Okay. So, okay, that's fine. Good. Okay. Specification. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Okay, security consideration. Some initial considerations. That all looks good. Malicious hooks. Okay, cool. So kind of a similar comment on this one. All right. Yeah, that's great. So just those few comments on here, and then it should be good to merge as a draft.
Cool. Thank you. I have one question on the reference implementation, actually.
Yeah.
If it's kind of like a complex, like I guess like usually like multi-file solidity contract, should we just put it all in one file, or should we just put multiple files that inherit from each other in the asset?
So
Is there any
ideally you'd want to keep your reference implementation as minimal as possible. So you'd want just like the simplest thing that illustrates your EIP. So ideally in one file, I mean, you can theoretically use as many as you want, but try to keep it as small as you can.
Okay, cool. Makes sense. Thank you.
The next one we can take a look is the final proposal listed here, and then we can go sequentially.
All right,
Sure.
just one small comment, maybe before or after this one. I updated the how and the other suggestions, but especially if you could look at the how, Sam, it's 187
Sure.
the
187.
PR. Thanks.
Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah.
So
Yeah, no, that's awesome. Yeah, thanks for making that change.
let's go. Thank you.
Okay. Moving to final. All right. Okay. Good. Okay. Do you have a test case that covers this? You don't. Okay. Well, I'm just going to have to trust you. Change state, reference implementation. Yeah, I mean, this seems good to go.
Thank you. So we can go ahead with the next one, the last call one.
Sure. Move to last call. Address placeholder for ETH. Oh, right, this one. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I guess that works. So we are
So
the
we may have
9th
to
to
change the
23rd.
deadline. Yeah, we may
Yeah.
have to change the deadline.
Yeah. All right. So what is this? This is which is just okay from Berlin to Chapella.
So it's just
Okay.
like a meta one. Like earlier, we used to have meta EIP per upgrade, but we stopped when we migrated to execution repo. So it's just to let people know that we are coming back again, and whatever EIP, if whatever upgrade is not listed in meta file, they are trying to list it here. Yeah, only one concern was with 2070 because there is already a meta for 2070.
Yeah, so yeah, I mean we can't really do that.
Do you want me to
so-
take it, move it for the EIP meeting? We can perhaps get some
Oh no,
suggestion
no,
there.
it's
Okay.
just we just have to move this to
Withdrawn. So
yeah,
I
just
think there is
something.
another PR open for it to move it to withdrawn, but it's waiting on ASIC's approval. I think it's been a couple of weeks. It's pending over there.
Okay. So yeah, I'll just There's the I think that was 2070. 2070. Okay. So, draft review, core. I'll just leave that like that. Okay. Just promote, okay. And this is going into review. So what were you before? This
Stagnant.
is 6224. Draft. So it's going from stagnant into review. I mean, I guess that's fine. Just means I need to read the whole thing. Choose the non-term registry system to manage its smart contracts. The proposed system consists of two components. Contract registry starts reference. Instance to smart contract used within a protocol. Option making them upgradable. Deploying self-managed boxes on top. This is okay. That's fine. Good. In the ever-growing Ethereum ecosystem, projects tend to become more and more complex. Modern protocols require portability and agility. Okay, have a clear architectural facade. And then there's a mixing that enables us to. Okay, let's see this diagram here. Okay, contract registers main contract must reference to standalone contract. Contract may be configured to deploy. Okay. Must implement the following interface. Nice. That certainly looks like an interface. Contract okay, for several contract must inherit dependent. Okay. Okay. Oh, wait, we're in rationale now. All right. All right. Was there anything straight up blocking in here, or is this okay to merge? Yeah, this is. All right. So that was 6224, 6909.
After this, maybe we can take a look at one of the draft proposal, which is mentioned in the comment to the agenda. Yeah.
Sure. Yeah. Okay. Cool. And then you want to go to the comments down here?
Yeah, so the number is 150 of ERC repo.
150? Okay,
Yeah.
cool. Let's take a look. Okay. No, it seems fine. There's just comment I want to make here. Okay.
So we have addressed everything added to the comment, and there are a couple of more miscellaneous, actually 3 miscellaneous PR. If we can
Yeah.
quickly take a look, yeah.
Of course. How's my video quality, by the way? I'm trying a different way of streaming.
So I think it is good, but one thing that, I mean, I missed to say it before, we should perhaps increase the font because generally we are looking at your screen and the font are low when we are looking, I mean, like smaller.
Yeah, I can definitely
Yeah. Yeah,
do
this
that.
should be good, yeah. Otherwise, video quality is all good, yeah. Audio,
Okay,
video, both are great.
good. So sorry, which one's these two drafts here or
Yeah, the miscellaneous, I think we have covered
these ones?
all,
Okay.
yeah, I think we have covered all. Right. The only concern is the proposal, I guess, are in final status. So
Yeah, exactly. Okay, so I will leave that for later. Let me just close all my other tabs here.
yeah, right. Yeah, that would be good. We can do it there.
Yeah.
So next one is again a small typo for the final proposal. ERC 183.
Yeah, I think that's that one's fine. Okay.
So this proposal is about like fixing the ercs.ethereum.org page. Currently, it has like, it is a copy paste of eips.ethereum.org. So they have like a lot of additional thing which is not needed there. There are empty tabs. So kind of clean up and just to make sure everything is all right. But it would be
Okay.
nice to have it reviewed, yeah, before we
Yeah.
can
Yeah. So I can take care of that.
later,
But
yeah.
yeah, this will have to be offline. Okay, cool.
Mhm. Yeah.
So I guess there's still more time and still more proposals.
So
So
there are 3 more, yeah. If you have time, we can perhaps take it. There
yeah.
are 2 core proposals and 1 ERC.
Okay, so I think Gajender's already looked at this one here. Um Oh, is this not in the right? Yeah, this isn't in the right directory. Yeah. All right. Then generation unit 64 epoch. Chain legs. All right. Generation unit 64 epochs. A generation is a scale version of an epoch. Okay, this EIP proposes the introduction of a new terminology. Yeah.
This is interesting. Like, I'm not sure if it is actually being used, or if it is, then it is great, right?
Yeah.
Because generally in informational EIP, we try to add which is already existing, right? It's not that we are trying to propose something new.
Yeah, that is a good point.
Might want to maybe get it reviewed by some of the CL devs. So if they are actually using the term generation there,
Yeah.
then that makes sense, yeah.
Okay. Rationale. Yeah. And then all right, I think that is about all the time I have for today. So I will be back in about 2 weeks.
Thank you, Sam. Thank you everyone for joining us today. Have a good one.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.